Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this grunge picture collage effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I already have my clip right here, and then if I go to the beginning right here, I already have 5 pictures that I already downloaded and imported to my project right here. So about right here, I'm gonna make a cut right here. Then I'm gonna go right here, about right there, and I'm gonna make a cut in between the video and push it all the way over here. Then I'm actually going to highlight all of our pictures we just imported right here, and then we're going to have our actual pictures right here. They're going to be 2 frames each, so I'm going to space them out, put this one right here, and push these out right here. And the reason I'm doing this is just to help space out the photos to give a nice effect. So I'm going to go ahead and push these photos out, make sure the 2 frames long for each picture. And once after I place down these clips right here, I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate all of our pictures we just had right here, put them underneath right there, and then just put them right there. So right here it's going to cycle through 2 sets of 5 pictures right here. So it's going to be the MRI, the eyes, the picture of Yeet, this lady screaming right here, then a nuke, and then it's going to reset right here, going again. Once after that, I'm going to put our clip back over here. So it's going to be right here where our transition happens. So it's going to be going out of these picture collage effect right here. It's going to transition back into our clip. And right here, it's going to transition into our actual picture collage effect right here. So once after that, I'm going to highlight all of our pictures that we just put down. Then I'm just going to press pre-compose or pre-comp. Then it's going to put pics right here. Then it's going to have all our pictures right here. Once after this, I'm actually going to go back into our pre-composed layer we just did right here. Then I'm going to create a new adjustment layer, and it's going to be above all of our pictures that we just put up right here. So for the first effect I'm going to add is noise. Go down here, and we're going to find noise and grain, and select noise and drag it in right there. Turn off use color noise and put our amount at 55. It's going to give a nice color noise right here. Make sure to turn off use color noise. Once after that, I'm going to close out the menu for noise. And then for the next effect, I'm going to add colorama. And for this effect, it's going to give us a nice blue tint to our effect right here. So I'm going to go to hue. Then I'm going to go to our use preset palette, and we're going to select Caribbean. And it's going to give us a nice blue tint right here. And if you want to, you can go ahead and change our colors. And if you want to have more control over our actual color, you can go ahead and go right here to hue and saturation. Go to color correction, hue and saturation, go to colorize, and go ahead and mess around with this right here. And you can bring down the saturation a bit and increase our lightness right there, so we have a nice effect right here. But that's just one way. But for this effect, I'm going to stick with colorama. So I'm going to head back over here. I'm going to reset it and make sure, once again, our modify, it's going to be on HS. Then on output cycle, it's going to be on Caribbean. Once again, you can put on hue, but it doesn't really do that much. So instead, I'm going to put on HS. Close out our colorama menu right there. And then for the next effect I'm going to add is glow. Hit to stylize and drag and glow right here. Go to our threshold right here and bring it all the way up to 79. Go to our radius and increase it to 114 or 114. It's going to give us a nice glowing effect right here. I'm going to close out the glow menu right there. And then for the next effect I'm going to add is hue and saturation. But instead of changing the color using hue and saturation for this effect, I'm actually not going to do that. I'm actually just going to bring down our blue tint right here. So I'm going to lower down our saturation all the way down to -60 right there. Then once after that, I'm going to add RSMB. Then what this is going to help cycle through our pictures, and it's going to give a nice morphing effect to it, so our pictures blend in nice and well with each other. So once after that, I'm going to save our project so don't lose this adjustment layer right here. Once you're done with the picture effect right here, I'm going to head to our main composition right here. Go to our left side, go to new, and create our new adjustment layer right here. And then we're going to make our new transition right here. It's going to be very simple, just a nice flash transition. So I'm going to type in exposure right here on effects and presets tab. Go to color correction and drag and expose. Expose exposure. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in more into our timeline right here. Then we'll go about to right here once our clip starts to end a bit and transitions into our picture effect right here. So I'm going to create a first time watch right here, and it's going to be start of our keyframes right here. Then I'm going to bring our clip right here, not a clip, but our keyframe. I'm gonna increase it all the way to 303, not 303, 303, but instead I actually might increase it by a large amount. So let me see. So I might just have it so it's much brighter, much earlier. Push this one back more. Then right here, I'm gonna bring it all the way down to 0. I'm gonna highlight all 3 of our keyframes and easy use them, copy them, and paste them right here, and make sure they give a nice transition right here. So I'm gonna push it back a bit more right there. So let me see. I'm actually gonna push our keyframe a bit back more. Let me see. So yeah, I'm gonna push our first keyframe a bit back more over here. Go to the beginning to see how this looks. Push this one out a bit more. Maybe have this one come earlier. Have this one fade out a bit much after that. Let me see. Have this maybe come before here. So yeah, I'm gonna save our project, close out our timeline, and yeah, that is how I create this grunge picture collage effect in After Effects. Keep on working hard, keep on chasing your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.